Hey, what's good? Alright, back with another video and the final of Jumbo Box Fairfield. So I don't know, like I was stated this in a few past videos. I don't know if they're gonna bring any more of these. I do want to make it up to 100 at least, because I know like if I'm in around 60 something videos of Fairfield. And I think I opened some of them off camera, so that could have been more, but I don't know, maybe I'll come back to it if I see him again, because I haven't seen any of them recently, so alright. Oh man, it's stupid card again. Guys, I'm tired of that card. I'm serious. I got like 5 of these. Anyway. Caron Butler. Oh, there we go. Go a little faster this time. Andrew Johnson. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't have this one yet. Dikembe Mutombo. Nice. Dikembe Mutombo. Who's this guy? Doesn't say who it is. I don't see the name anywhere. Anyway, that's fine. Hey, Daryl Armstrong. Doug Christie, top skull. Nice. It's cool. Going to my PC. Checklist. Sorry if it's a little noisy outside. Can't help it, guys. It's Robin with that hair. And he's got what? Wow. He's got like gold hair on here and red hair on there. 2 different photos. Sean Camp. Stupid coach cart. Allen Houston. Okay, so alright, sorry guys, I had to close the window. They were fighting outside. Something happened, I don't know. Let them fight. Yes, I do have Scandalous Neighbors. That's alright, it doesn't really bother me. I mean, I'm used to it. I always lift in places like that, so. Looks Blackwell rookie. A lot of rookies here. Another one. So, so far these 2 last boxes have been nothing but mostly older cards. Like really old cards. What is this? Dang. Only 1 prism. Joe Demar's top skull. And that's, oh my god. Doubles. Doubles. You're killing me. And that's it. I don't really believe in that mojo stuff, but you never know. Maybe I'll pull something nice from here. I doubt it. Never pull anything good from Dumris. Yep. Nothing but junk. Alright, that is pretty much it. So, man, I don't have any more left. That's the last of that jumbo box from Fairfield. Hopefully they bring the 3-point boxes. I kind of miss those boxes. But, I don't know. Maybe I'll call and see if they're working on something new. So, stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching.